Anybody looking to get a good deal on an older boat with teak overlaid decks, just think how much is involved in that. Look at these teak decks here. You can see how there's some kind of coating on top of it, very thick coating. You can still see the planking, and where it's very thick and it's peeled up. And then let's look backwards at this seam right here. You can see where it's been chewed up down to the raw fiberglass. And you can see the screw hole, screw hole, screw hole, screw hole all along. And they've put some fiberglass on top of the bad underlay, which is kind of sort of plywood or a balsa material. Let me step back a little bit. And looking again, you can see that this is structurally appearing good, but they need to finish the appearance of the beauty part. You can see how high this deck fitting is for the fuel tank, says diesel. And you can see the trim, and more and more and more and more fiberglass where they've had to patch some areas here. And you can see a big crack right there, that big crack. So that's going to let water in and start the rotting problem all over again. So you can see this is major surgery, major work. And regardless of how good of a deal you get, it may not be that good of a deal. Also looking at the rub rail, you can see how that's chewed up right there, and in a few other places. So think long and hard before you buy a project boat, because a project might be more money and more time than you ever thought. If you want to learn more about boat maintenance, join us for our Introduction to Boat Systems class, Vero Beach. Ask Captain Chris.